If you're holding SGD, you are in danger. In fact, I suggest going ahead and closing out your position literally tomorrow morning. Now, in today's video, we're going to be discussing exactly where is SGD heading and why is this ticker up over a whopping 100% at the time of recording this video. Today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be talking about the catalyst that this ticker is running on. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis. The where, I'm ready to tell you guys where to get in, where to get out. That part's going to be easy. You're going to need to get out. All right, that's the easiest part. Now, with that said, let's get breaking down the why. So as always, we break down the why because we want to know why is this ticker running in the first place in order to be able to anticipate the longevity of the move, right? And be able to anticipate whether or not there's any sustainability to the green that this ticker is experiencing right now. So we can go ahead and understand, okay, well, is this a ticker which we want to add to, or is this a ticker which we want to maybe even short, right? And bet against, because just as fast as it goes up, just as fast as it comes down. So when it comes to SGD, right, the company, there's really no news on it. However, I did find this little article regarding an appraisal that they got regarding their properties in Texas. Although I do believe that this is actually relatively old news. When we go over here, right, we do see that this was actually a month ago, right, that they received this news. So there's really no news at all, right? There's really no news at all. News as in right now, today, for this ticker to be up the amount that it's up, okay? So what is going on really, right? What is going on? Let's talk about what you're seeing over here is more likely than not a coordinated pump, right? Now, why do these companies pay for these coordinated pumps? Whether it's through newsletter articles, whether it's through Discord groups, whether it's through SMS marketing companies, right? Why do they do this? They do this so they can create price volatility. So when they're going ahead and they're pumping shares into the broader markets, nobody can realize. I know this because I've been offered tens of thousands of dollars to go ahead and actually pump stocks that I don't believe in to my Discord members, right? To the 400 members that are coming back month after month and following my alerts. But guess what? At the end of the night, or end of the day, end of the night is the morning, end of the day, I still need to make sure that when I put my head on the pillow, I can sleep with my conscience being clear. And I can't do so knowing that I took some money and I got freaking paid to pretty much pump a stock to my own following. But guess what? Your favorite follower doesn't care. Your favorite freaking YouTuber doesn't care. What do? They come out and say, this is a sponsor segment. That's their way of warning you, yo, everything I'm saying right now is I'm getting paid to talk about. That's their way of saying that. If you ever hear anyone say, this is a sponsored ticker, what do you mean by this is a sponsored ticker? What are you talking about, sponsored ticker? Oh, you mean you're literally paid to gas this ticker up and say nothing bad about it. Well, let me tell you something. You will never hear anything like that here. Why? And mind you, I used to do it before, okay? But the one thing I always did was tell people, it's funny because they would pay me, right? These companies, they would pay me to do so, right? And then, when you join the Discord, the first thing which we do is we have an onboarding call, right? Where I show you like how does every single channel work, how to follow, who's alerts to follow, because we do have multiple different mentors depending on how big your portfolio size is and what your risk tolerance is. And in that call, I would always tell people, I'll be like, listen, this area, this part is called the sponsor alert section. Literally avoid this shit at all costs. Just avoid it. Avoid it. I'm just taking their money because fuck them. Avoid this whole segment. Like, don't even think about this whole segment. Okay? Now, with that said, let's get breaking on SGD's numbers. So, is this company going to dilute or not? Well, let's look at their numbers, right? The company right now has, this based off of their most recent SEC filings. The company right now has $800K in the bank. They burn $550K every single 3 months, leaving them with 4 months of cash. So they're broke as fuck, okay? So the news is nothing. They're broke as fuck. The volatility is amazing, though. Mind you, volatility is a double-edged sword, right? Just as fast as things go up, just as fast as these things come down, okay? So volatility, we're going to set it as amazing. Institutional ownership. This thing has 0.8%. Garbage. Terrible. Let's see what Ortex has for us. See what the shorts have been doing. Short is up 53% the last day. Not good. Not good, not good. When shorts out to their position, that means that they believe that the stock is overbought, okay? Now, let's talk about likelihood of diluting. So they have no cash, so their financial motivations are there. Historically, massively diluted. Right now, they have a big-ass overhead supply. Bro, they're setting you guys up for that. You know what they're doing right now? Okay? You know what they're doing right now? I'll tell you guys what they're doing. Okay? They, right now, okay, they got this rug. Okay? They have this rug. All right? And this is what they're doing. They're going, I'm going to use my shirt here. okay? They have this rug, okay? And they're going, setting it down, nice and easy, and they're saying, come on aboard, come on, come on. It's gonna keep going up, come on, it's already up. It's already up, of course, come on. What do you mean? I'm not gonna go, whoop. I'm not gonna let you sit on the rug and then go, whoop. I'm not gonna do that. Come on, come on, what do you? It's okay, come on. Look, it's up so much, it's up. Oh my God, look, today it went up 43%, after hours it went up 78%. It's gonna go crazy. I mean, come on, it's gonna go to 10. Obviously, it's gonna go to 10. Don't ask why it should go, no, it's going to 10. Come on. It's just physics. If something's going up, it needs equal force to stop it. If there's no equal force, it's gonna keep going up. Well, let me give you a physics lesson, okay? This is the problem with you guys. You guys think that just because something's going up, it's gonna continue going up. But the only certainty for something that's going up is gravity. That's it. That's the only certainty. Let's say I throw this floss up, okay? You're not gonna know exactly how high it goes if it's gone up this high. It's very hard for you to anticipate how hard. It's momentary upside, but inevitable downside. That's what these stickers are. I mean, just look at the history. Don't take my word for it. Look at the history of this shit. Pump down, every damn day, bro. Bro, these are 4-hour candles. And you guys are still buying this shit. You guys are still buying this. Pump down. So what's gonna happen over on this pump? Well, I think this pump is gonna be a multi-day one where it goes, and it actually goes back to 177, I think. Stop it. Okay? Stop it, man. Stop it. Right? So for me, it's an absolute no-go. Now remember, I'm what they call a scaredy cat. Okay? I care about my win-loss percentage. I care about accuracy. That's how I trade. A lot of different traders, you know how they trade? They buy 5 shit stocks. They're like, okay, well, one of them is going to pop up. One of them is going to pop up. And that one's going to pay for the other 4 that are never going to pop up. Or maybe the other 4 that are going to pop up in like 6 years from now. Okay? I don't have any stocks in my graveyard. I don't. You know what I do have? An 82% win rate. 500 trades later, 82% win rate. Month of July, only 2 red days. Month of June, only 1 red day. Month of May, 3 red days. Month of April, no red days. Month of March, 1 red day. On and on and on. You don't get to have an 82% win rate trading shitty setups. This is a shitty setup. This is a dog shit setup. I mean, you would have to, if you paid me to buy this, I would take your money and run away with it. And I would not buy this. Okay? Like, even if, I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it, man. I'm just not doing it. Okay? I'm not doing it. All right? That's it. And I'll tell you guys something. It could go up. It could go to, it could really go to 3. It could really go to 4. It really could. But that's how trading works, right? Trading is a game of probabilities. And when probabilities are at stake, the way probabilities work, okay, is even if something has a 90% of chances of happening, okay, that means it has a 10% chance of not happening. So I'm telling you guys, there's a 90% chance this shit comes back down. Fast. Hardcore. But guess what? That 10% chance is still possible. Is it probable? No, but is it possible? It's possible. But good trading is about building good habits. If you get in a habit of buying dog shit companies that are up for no reason, you may make money on this one, but the next one you're going to get burnt, the next one you're going to get burnt, the next one you're going to get burnt. Maybe you've already gotten burnt. Maybe you've already gotten burnt enough. Now, if you're tired of getting burnt, I got good news for you. Our community, Top Trader Academy, which comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, is right now on a limited time sale for the next 10 members that join. I added 10 more spots. The next 10 people that join, 50% discount. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. We have over 400 members. Majority of them are paying full price. Check it out. Give it a shot. Try it out for 7 days. See if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, leave and never ever come back again. It's that simple. You know why we can offer that? You know why we can offer all this 7-day free trial, 30 days money? Because we know we selling crack. We know you're going to join. You're never going to want to leave. I know that. I know that. But you know what the other Discords don't know? The other Discords know you're going to join. You're going to be like, oh my God, this Discord sucks. I want to leave. And never ever come back again. Started 6 weeks ago, approximately $400. Kill it today with Sean. So this is what we have. Day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it. Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section and description. Okay? I've been here for a month. I didn't play options ever before. I learned options from Sam. And of course, I followed it up. This is what I meant. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I mean, what I would do, remember, I would never tell you guys to do some shit I wouldn't do myself. I would try the 7-day free trial. That's it. Anyways, remember, don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.